It's another day in the office for Joanny Delgaco as she continues her preparation for Paris 2024.
Actually, dun sa boat ko kanina ng pagbaba ko, feeling ko may i-adjust pa siya. And sa training naman po, yung sa course, may diretso naman siyang 2K. Wala lang siyang yung boya.
Tapos may sinasabi si coach na maluwag eh.
Opo.
Oo,
Malawak po siya
Explain
eh.
mo yung pagkalawak niya and how it affects
Malawak siya, tsaka ang peaceful.
Peaceful?
Peaceful siya.
For Coach Marina, it is of essence to condition both Joanny's body and mind.
Pati yung environment napakaganda dahil yung fresh ang hangin dahil puro puno yung katabi natin kaya napansin ko si Joanny kanina halos hindi pinapawisan. Kailangan talaga ma-enjoy na yung training, everyday training kasi kung hindi mo talaga na-enjoy like kung sobrang init at sobrang lamig, so ito katamtaman yung weather. So nakikita ko nakaka-smell din sa kanina. So nakita ko nga na maganda pati kami rin sumusunod sa kanya.
Consistency will also be key as it would be vital in their timetable.
Yeah, meron nasabi sa akin yung si Coach Jose na doon din nila ginagawa yung 2,000 meters time trial. Meron kaming markers doon. So napakita sa amin kanina yung markers. At bibigyan din kami ng GPS para accurate yung distance.
With everything up and running smoothly, Joanny Delgaco is in positive spirits and is determined to continue the grind. For Mets France, Denise Tan.